My name is Toni Schmader. I hold the Canada Research Chair in Social Psychology at the University of British Columbia, and I'm the Director of the Engendering Success in STEM Consortium. I've been really inspired by the ability to create a consortium that brings together social science researchers who have expertise in understanding the nature of implicit bias, understanding how creating supportive interactions and relationships among people across different groups is a key to breaking down barriers, and that when you do that, when you change the kinds of cues and cultures, you can also then create safe environments for men and women to work and be successful in. So the consortium as a whole, which I'll talk about first, really focuses on bringing together researchers across the developmental spectrum. So we have people part of the consortium who are doing research looking at the early development of implicit bias in young kids, looking at how that can kind of unfold and shape the way girls and boys sort of navigate their career choices as they're going into adolescence, the kinds of activities they pursue, the way in which they perceive themselves. Then looking at the transition into university, the majors that they choose. For young women and men who choose careers in engineering or the physical sciences, how do they make that transition to their early career? And then in those careers, to what degree are they experiencing a culture of inclusion? Really, we're interested in the interface between the research that people like me and our team are doing on the ground, and how that can benefit parents, young kids, teachers at the early ages, those who do outreach efforts to try to attract young girls into STEM fields. But then at the other side of things, how this can affect those working in industry, and professional associations, and university environments and higher education. You can change the policies, you can try to change the beliefs that people have individually, but you can also try to change the way in which people are interacting with one another.